October 21st in Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. Let's check out some of the homes and the Halloween decorations. Just 10 days till the trick-or-treaters will be running up and down the block, and what will they be seeing, and are the homes ready? We've got some jack-o'-lanterns. The color on these pumpkins that they have is really great. Don't have to worry about those fading. And for you vintage Halloween enthusiasts, here are the antique blow molds. Love it. This one is definitely a treasured, has faded quite a lot. And some people prefer to correct them with paint, and some say, no, I love the vintage look, which is not often seen. Pumpkins are very common. This one often was seen much smaller for the window. They were smart, they bought 2 of them. All right, that's some, I definitely want to trick or treat at this house. You know that they are having fun for the holiday. All right, and that is Halloween. Let's check out the autumn foliage. Actually, there is some great color right there. It's layering. We've got some of the reds, some of the greens, and some of the yellows. And that is Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. Halloween decorations for October 21st. Till next time, keep exploring.